Hello everyone, my name is Yuvraj Bansal. Good afternoon to one and all present here. Thank you so much for coming and joining me. Today I will be demonstrating my task 7.4D of the unit SIT 102 Intro to Programming. So, at first, we have the power of CPP. Now, here we have all the bitmaps of the power ups that we are going to use in our program. Next is power up data. New power up. Basically, this is the procedure which will random all the power ups to the screen. Next we have void draw power up. It will draw the power ups to the screen. We have void power up, void update power up. This procedure will update all the power ups to the screen. We have its header files. Here we have enum of the power up kind. It consists of all the bitmaps of shield, power, fuel, coin, battery. Next we have struct of power of data, and here we have similarly we have discussed in the CPP file. Next we have player.cpp. Now here we have the bitmaps of all the shapes. Now we have player data new player. It will initialize the position of the player when the game starts. It will also set up the bitmap default at the beginning of the game, which is a query. Next we have void draw player. Now it will draw the player and draw the sprite. We have update player. It will adjust the window of the screen. It doesn't let the player to go out of the window, and basically it will hold the camera movement. We have void handle input. This procedure will handle the key inputs from the user. At the next we have player.header file. Now here we have defined like player speed, player rotational speed. Here we have enum of ship kind, where all the we have the bitmaps of all the ships like Aquarius and Pegasi. Next we have select of player data, select of fuel pack, boost up, bar width, and score. And again we have all these we have defined in the CPP file. Now next is lost in lost in space CPP file. Like here we have defined many things like minimap height, minimap width. We have defined them. Next we have void setup level. It will reset the timer and it setups the game. Next we have void add power up. It will add power up to the screen. Now remove power up. Similarly it will remove the power ups. It now we next have void draw game. It will draw the game, like it will draw the harder. It will check the collisions. It will reflect the screen. Now next we have apply power up. Now it basically performs the functioning of the fuel packed. Next we have draw hard. This is the now void draw hard will display the score, location of the ship, location of the player, and like here it will show the fuel bar also. Next we have the it will return the index of the closest power of the index, this function. Now next we have void check collision. It will check the collisions of the power ups with the ship. At the next we have void update game. It will update the game. It will check the collisions. It will update the fuel packed. Next we have the and next we have minimap coordinates, and next we have the coordinates of the player at the minimap. Now we have void draw minimap. Basically it will draw the minimap. And next we have created here bool bw0. Now it checks the fuel packed whether it goes empty or not. If the fuel packed goes empty, the game will shut itself. And at the end we have this program cpp file. Here we have load resources. It will load the bundle which has been already provided us, and finally this is the int main where all the functioning of the program will takes place. It will update the game, draw the game, and all the process, all the events will held here. So that's all from my side. Thank you for all coming and joining and hearing me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to demonstrate my work in front of you at this platform. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.